Hey guys, it's Blair54 again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to take apart your disk drive and put your console back together. So if you haven't seen my last video, please go check it out so you know how to take it apart. And before we get started, I got something to tell you guys. In a couple days I'm going to upload a video of me completely destroying my Xbox with a couple different guns probably and stuff like that. So just letting y'all know. So we're gonna start out with taking apart the disk drive. So here we go. First thing you're gonna need to do is need your medium screwdriver. You're gonna wanna unscrew 4 screws right here. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Well, the dang screw will come out. There we go. Okay, and take your screws out here. Oops. Alright. Now, you got your flash drive. You're going to get your small screwdriver again. You're going to just push up on this little piece right here. You get it open a little bit. Slide it up from each side. This piece off. You see something inside. Flip it over. Push down a little bit on this. And then you have this piece off. And you got your inside of your this drive. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put this back together real fast. And then I'll show you how to put the rest of the Xbox back together. This may get a little boring in the next few minutes. So if you guys think that, I'm sorry. I keep putting this thing in the wrong way. Oh, by the way, when you guys take these 2 gray metal pieces off the first time, maybe a little sticker right here, and if there is, just cut it in half with a knife or something. Okay, I'll put the screws back in. Okay. I'll screw them back in. Okay. Alright. Now right here, you have to put your your disk drive back in here. The same 2 cords. Should be there. We go. Oh wait, I'll tell you back. I gotta plug the cords in first. My bad, guys. Like that. Like this. Like there. So if you can see. Just slide that back in. The corner piece should snap in over here. And that's good. And alright. You're gonna want to get the piece that says Xbox 360 right here. I want to slide it back where it goes. Like that. Okay. Now you're gonna want to get the bottom piece, which is this part that has no metal inside of it. You're gonna want to pick your Xbox up like this. Slide this down back in like that. Should hear a little pop when it goes back in place. And now Here's the disc or the eject button. Like I said, mine broke off. So, and oh man, it's really better to put the disc drive in before you do this. Here you go. You put the disc drive in right there. Snaps into place. Alright, there's that. And you want to put top of your Xbox back on the back. Sometimes this is hard to get in perfect, but there's these pieces that have to snap in. And sometimes it's really annoying to get these dang things back where they go. It's best to try and get this side over here in first. There's little grooves inside this, and they gotta go straight back down in there. Okay, I got that side. I'm sorry guys, give me a second. Alright, here's that side. Alright, there we go. I gotta make sure all these hooks right here, they pop back into place. Like that. Okay. Oh, by the way, it would help if you've watched my previous video. Put these screws back in where it's supposed to go. I completely forgot. I'm sorry, guys. But put those back in where they go. They're like right here, there, and there, somewhere around there. Okay, you're gonna put the pieces back in where on the top and bottom of the Xbox. This is the part side where your hard drive snaps in. This part should go in first. Right there. Flip it back over. Put this side back in. Oops. Like that. Set it down. You're going to get your faceplate. Snap it back on. And boom, there you go. Xbox back together. This has been Blair54. I'm signing out. See you guys later. Peace.